Hi guys, this is Geetanai. Welcome to Ranksnap Review. This is an amazing app where everything is automated, safe and secure. But before I go into the sales page, I have put together lots and lots of different bonuses that go with this package. So I would like to share with you those bonuses which you are going to love them, and it's going to help you a lot with this Ranksnap. So to get those bonuses, I have left a link below this video. All you need to do is to click on to this link below, and it brings you onto this page where you claim all the bonuses which are completely free. So let's get into the bonuses. The bonus number 1 is the Virgo Breakout. Virgo Breakout is an internet marketing training. It takes you step by step. It's a course, and it's going to show you how to get traffic visitors via Instagram and promote your product as an affiliate. To claim that bonus free, you just click onto this link below, and then bonus number 2 is the Squeeze Page Breakthrough. So the Squeeze Page Breakthrough is a free trial, easy email access, easy to set up, tool to succeed, and easy to build online income. It's a free training. It's a YouTube free training. Helps you on your internet marketing journey. To claim this bonus, you just click onto this link below, and then the bonus number 3 is access effortless Facebook profit. It's a free course. Everyone has to pay for that, but you get it completely free. And with this course, please do not underestimate the power of this course. It makes you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. It's an A to Z Facebook marketing guide on how to use all aspects of Facebook to promote any offer, services or product. To get that bonus, you just click onto the link below, and then bonus number 4 is access Bing Ad course. So the Bing Ad course is a video training, shows you how to set up successful Bing ads and you could run your campaign and build up your email list. Even if you are not PC expert or Bing Ad expert, it's so easy to use, and you could easily run a campaign on here, and everything is set up, including keyword research and tracking links. So to get that, there's a link below, this link below this bonus. That's how you claim it. Bonus number 5 is given to me by Vanco, so Vanco's got lots of bonuses put together as well as mine, and they are completely free, so don't forget to get the bonuses. And let's get into the sales page of this Ranksnap. So this Ranksnap Review, make sure if you are claiming the bonuses, make sure you claim it before the time runs out, otherwise you won't get those bonuses, so please remember that. And to get that, there's a link below, those time. And so what is Ranksnap relaunch all about? So it's automated tool, it's a secure tools, and it holds contents, social media and network. And this is a app where it saves a lot of time and engage your followers. So that's what it's about. It helps your local business promote the places, and 3 to 4 figures a month service. So that's what's that about. So Upsell is the front end is from 37, and where you can access Ranksnap software training module, and Upsell one is Ranksnap Promotion, which is 47, and you get all this listed, more new features. So you get Web 2.0 profiles, document sharing, RSS module, video embeds, and maps and magic. So that's number 1. Upsell 2 is Ranksnap Easy Ranker, which is $47. Is a quick profitable keyword, and it's a quick to get traffic, and it saves you a lot of time, and you could compare that trying to find money keyword manual. So get high quality traffic that actually convert within minutes. So that's that. And Upsell 3 is Content Snap, which is $37. It's online marketing. Most of you must have heard saying contents of king, and it's got bank link building. You always use unique content as a duplicate content, and then you can get penalty from Google. Okay, and to get this unique content you may follow ways. So write articles, consuming process, not like everyone write article, it's completely different. And so to write a new article, it's expensive, as they will change from $3 to $20 per article. You reuse some of the other article, use PRL article, it will duplicate content. Use the content creator module, automatically create plus spin article, literally for any niche. So if you're worried about niche, you don't have to use for any niche, and create within 5 unique article. So Upsell 4 is Ranksnap Professional, $67. That series SEO professional need more power. So that's monthly plan, 20,000 credit for 67 month, and 20,000 credit each month, 399. Yeah. These are the key benefits to rank any video website or local businesses with not experience. Charge $250 to $500 a month, and new signal tech, new local tech, you get 100% free traffic from absolute scratch. SEO in your life, simple to use, and it's money back guarantee. So you could look into this sales page. There's a video in there, it gives you more information, and that's a video, it explains you more about it. And all these bonuses are completely free, and you could start this with $37 US, and you automatically get all the bonuses. So please do not forget to claim the bonuses because they're completely free. And this ends on the 5th of May. So before the time runs out, click on the link below to claim all the free bonuses. And thank you for watching this review, and I will see you at the next review. Thank you.